Hello all. Today we're going to review before we move on to 2.7 lesson. Okay? Alright, 3 questions only. It's gonna be quick. Number 1, identify the type of function represented by the graph. Alright, so let's see if you can still remember this. So how do you classify this kind of graph? It's a V shape. Is it linear, parabolic, or absolute value? Alright, so if it is a V shape, this is letter C. This is an absolute value function. Okay? Alright, how about this one? Try this one. How do you identify this type of function? Is it linear, parabolic, or absolute value? Okay, if it is a straight line, this is linear. Okay, it's a line. Alright, last question. How about this one? How do you identify this type of function? Alright, so this is parabolic. It's a parabola. Okay? Alright. Thank you for listening. That's it.